Hello guys, today I will show you how to create your first sheet in Smartsheet project management software. Once you've logged into your account, this is the home landing page that will be displayed on your system. You can create your first sheet in many ways. You can start your first sheet by clicking this Start, a new project box. It will show you all the templates which will give you different options of picking template design that match your tasks, like budgeting, project planning, feedback form, business reports. This is project schedule management. If you want to schedule your project activities, this is simple project plan. This is simple to-do list. This is project with works breakdown schedule. You can scroll down to click on the grid and create your first sheet. Let's click on it. You can see that our sheet is loaded now. So let me show you another way of creating your sheet. Let's go back to the home page. Don't save. You can also create your sheet by clicking this plus sign at the left pane menu. Let's click it. It will also take you to the same template page. You get it now? Let me show you another way of creating your sheet. You click on browse. This is browse options. In the top right corner of your screen, click on create. This is create. To display the list of functions that you can perform on your sheet, like grid. This is grid, task clicks, project, cards, browse template, import Microsoft Excel, import Microsoft Project, import from Google Sheet, import from Atlassian Trello, report, dashboard portal, folder, and workspace. Let's click on the grid. So we have to name our sheet now. Click on OK. You can see the new sheet we just created on the screen. So you have to double click on it. Good. Our project plan sheet is now ready to be input with our data. From the column list, you can see that the first column is named the primary column by default, while the other numbered from column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5, column 6. The difference between primary and other columns is that you cannot change the column type on the primary column, but you can rename it. If you want to change the column name, click on this column menu. This is column menu. You can insert column left, you can insert column right, you can delete column, you can rename your column. This is what you want to do now. You can also add column descriptions. You can filter your column, you can sort rows, you can lock your column, freeze column, add column, show Gantt, edit project settings, edit column properties. So let's click on the rename column. Let's put tax name. Tax name. You can see that the column type is grayed out by default, and the primary column is always a text and number field. So let's click on OK. Good. In the column 2, let's change the column title to assign to. Click on rename, put assign to. We need to assign the project tag to some key project team members. In the column type field, you can see that. Let's click on it. Good. You can see that The field is populated with some options, and we need to choose contact list and click on OK, because we are adding team member into each of the tasks. That's why we need to pick contact list here. Click on OK. Click on the specific column you want to add a contact, and add the contact of the person you want to assign to each task. Just click on this drop down. My name just pop up because I'm the creator of the sheet, and I've not had or create any contact on the sheet. Let me add my name and add a few persons to the contact list. Add my name first. Good. The marketing plan. So you click on add new. You add the person name George. Input George Green. Click on OK. Also add a new contact by clicking this icon. You can see that it populates the contact list on the sheet. Let's add new contacts. Sharon, let's see. Let's click on OK. Just pick Sharon. Click on OK. You can also assign a single name to multiple tasks. Add new name. gmail.com. Okay. In the column 3, let's name it status. You can also name a column by going to column properties and click on edit column properties. Status. We need to put some colors in this status column. This is the reason why we are picking symbols. Let's pick yellow, green, blue. And check the restrict to symbols values only. Click on that and OK. Let's just red, pick yellow, and pick green, plus pick on blue. You can also continue by picking red and green. In the column 4, let's rename it to progress and pick drop down list in the column type. We have to put some values in the values box. Let's put some functions there. Complete, on hold, not started, and in progress. Click on OK. In our next video, I will show you how you can add some formulas to the status and progress columns so that anytime the progress of the task shows completed, the color will automatically change to blue. Let's match them together. Red is representing not started, I think on hold. Yellow, not started, green, in progress. Blue, complete. Red, on hold. Green, in progress. In the column, let's add the start date and end date in the column 6 respectively. Always pick on dates. Let's pick some date here. Start date is 21st, end date is 30. What we want to do now is to add another column to show the durations of the project between start date and end date. Click on this, insert column right, put duration, click on duration here and click on OK. You have to set the dependencies to enable the duration to update automatically. Click on progress, edit project settings, start date, end date. So let's click on dependencies enabled. A column name duration exists on your sheet. Use it to enable dependencies. Click on yes. Click on OK. Great. Our duration is now updating automatically. So let's add some dates now. Let's pick some dates. You can see that it's calculating it and updating it automatically in the duration column. Some dates. Let me pick November. I'm just picking some dates randomly. I want us to add another column to our sheet. We name it budgets. Budgets. I think is what's going on here. Let's put some amounts in the budget column, and we can also add the dollar sign with the amount on each tax budget. Let's add 10,000. Enter. 5,000. 2,000. 6,000. 3,000. Good. Oh, still remain one. 20,000. Great. If you have a large record on your sheet, you can also indent your tags by clicking on the menu options and picking indent. Let's click on this indent. So let's click on business branding and let's click on budget plan to be under the launch plan. So look at this, great. You can see that you can also manage your sheet very well. So let's drop them back. Great. So on the left side of the column, you will see a list of options you can apply to a row, like notification, to set a reminder. This is notification. You can set your reminder here. Let's click on cancel. This is proof. You can add a proof here. You can create a proof by uploading a file, or you attach info. You can see that the icon, the proof icon is showing there. It means that we have a proof on this row. This is add a comment icon. If you want to add a comment to the column, or you want to pass a piece of information to others or a particular person on the sheet, you can do that by typing here, please check this, and you can send. So go, let's cancel it. Last icon on the list is attachment. Okay, click on this. You can see you can attach a document to the row. Let's cancel it. In my next video, I will show you how you can manage your sheet in a more advanced way. Kindly click on the like button to like this video and subscribe to our channel to receive a notification once the new video is dropped. Thank you for watching. Bye.